What is the key to success? Most common answer is hard work. Yes, it is. But what kind of hard work? Hard work for how long? One thing more important than hard work is perseverance. The patience to move forward for a very long period, even after failures, without losing hope, without shifting the focus. It is indeed a very difficult task. The reason why it is exercised by very few people. The river gives life to civilization after civilizations because of its endurance. The endurance to keep on moving towards its purpose. Jack Ma is probably one of the most innovative founders and CEOs in the world. Not only has he changed the lives of billions of people, he has done in a scale that has rivaled the US and other countries. His brainchild, Alibaba, is worth more than $400 billion. The journey wasn't an easy one for Jack. He started out from humble beginnings and had little to no revenue to his name. He would constantly be pitching to friends and investors so that he could start his venture in his native home of China. The worst part about this was that he was rejected from every job that he applied to. He didn't get any response from even a job working at the counter at KFC. He didn't have anywhere else to turn. He even saw failure with the first two companies that he started. A lot of people don't know how much hardship Thomas Edison went through in order to achieve his dreams. Edison was one of the most persevering people in history. He never gave up. He never hung his head when he failed. He learned from his mistakes and tried again. Thomas Edison exemplified perseverance by overcoming his difficult childhood, his troublesome curiosity, and the doubt and hate from others. Muhammad Ali inspired a generation with his lessons of perseverance, of hard work, of determination, and of giving. A former heavyweight boxer, he transcended beyond boxing to be known as one of the greatest sport figures of all time. He said he was the greatest. Not many people argue with that. But he also said, I am an ordinary man who worked hard to develop the talent I was given. Probably the greatest example of persistence is Abraham Lincoln. If you want to learn about somebody who didn't quit, look no further. Born into poverty, Lincoln was faced with defeat throughout his life. He lost 8 elections, twice failed in business, and suffered a nervous breakdown. He could have quit many times. One of the greatest sports personalities of the modern generation is Khabib Nurmagomedov of Russia. He has an amazing record of 29-0 in professional mixed martial arts. What's more interesting about him is he has not even lost a single round in his whole professional career. But even in this position, he believes he does not like money and fame. He only fights for legacy. The best thing that one can learn from Khabib is that he looks always much better in the next fight. He always improves. The thing that tested Khabib's persistence was injuries, which compelled him to stop for years, but he never gave up.